Hi everyone, this is Mr. Sopido Tech here. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 essential things you must do before starting up a new YouTube channel. Whether you are planning to create tech tutorials, vlog, or any other type of content, these 5 tips will help set you up for success. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new tutorial video, you'll be able to get notified. Number 1. Identify your niche and your target audience. This means choosing a specific area of focus for your YouTube channel that align with your interests and expertise. For an example, if you are passionate about tech, you could focus on software tutorials, teaching people how to use a specific software, how they can be able to use it, making educational content, making educational videos on how to use a particular software, even digital marketing tips, showing how people how to do digital marketing, how to do social media marketing, or how to do anything, showing them, giving tips and tutorials, giving some step-by-step guides on how to start with digital marketing. Knowing your niche helps you create content that is relevant and valuable to your viewers. It also helps you a lot to create content. When you know the niche you are talking about, it will help you to create valuable content for your viewers, for your audience, for people that subscribe to your channel, for people that are following you up. It helps a lot. So it is good to identify your niche. And when you are choosing a niche, it is important to choose to go for your interests, or even to go for what you are passionate about, because it takes consistency on YouTube to grow. It takes consistency. You don't need to give up on YouTube, because it's a gradual process. It's not something that you just wake up today and you'll monetize tomorrow. It's a gradual process. You take some steps. That is the reason why when you are choosing a niche, choose something that you are passionate about, something that you can do free of charge, something that you can freely do without even expecting any payment, or without even expecting any other thing. That is what is going to help you to have patience until the particular time that your content will be monetized, until the particular time that your YouTube channel will blow up. It is very, very important to select a good niche, a niche that is something that you love doing. You don't need to select a niche because the niche is paying. Because if you select something that you are not passionate about, I promise you are going to give up on the way. You're going to give up on the way, because maybe you will see that whenever you post a video, you will not get views and all that. Before you know it, you give up. So it's good and better to choose a specific niche that is something that you are passionate about. If you love cooking, start making tutorial videos about cooking, or start even showcasing how you cook and all that. If you like fashion, start showing some fashions, wear some clothes, video yourself, talk about it and all that. There are people that are passionate about it. There are people that love fashion. There are people that want to see new fashion every day. So those are the kind of people that you are going to have on your YouTube channel. So it is good and important to select a niche that is something that you love doing, something that you are passionate about. It will help you to stay connected. It will help you to stay patient until the particular time that your channel is going to blow up. So because it takes consistency and patience to grow on YouTube. Additionally, understanding your target audience, who they are, what they want, and the problem they need solving, it will help you tailor your content to suit their needs, to solve their problems. So it is very, very important to know the kind of people you are making video for, the kind of people you are creating content for, the kind of people that your content is going to help, the kind of people that your content is going to be valuable to. So it will help you to create a valuable content that will solve their problems. That is number 1. Then number 2, set a clear goal and expectations. Ask yourself what you want to achieve with your new YouTube channel. Is it to educate others, entertain, build community? So these are questions you need to ask yourself, or you may even want to monetize in the future. Setting a specific measurable goals will guide your content strategy and help you stay motivated. Remember, growth on YouTube can be gradual, so it is important to have patience and persist. So it is very, very important to set a goal. You know, what am I going to achieve? What do I want? What exactly do I want to achieve with my YouTube channel? What is it? What is that thing that I want to achieve? Is it to monetize? These are the questions you are going to ask yourself. Or is it to just I'm just opening this YouTube channel to educate people. I'm just opening it to give value to the society. I'm just opening this YouTube channel to show my talents. I'm just opening this YouTube channel to entertain people. So you need to ask yourself this question: what do I want to achieve with my YouTube channel? It is very, very important. Then number 3, plan your content and schedules. Once you have identified your niche and set a goal, it is time to plan your content. Create a content calendar outlining the type of videos you will produce and how often you will upload them. It is very, very important. The kind of, plan your content, that I'm going to do this. I'm going to be doing this type of video on Tuesday. I'm going to doing this type of video on Friday. Maybe if your niche is cooking, for an example, you might want to, every Tuesday you cook a particular food type of meal, or maybe every Tuesday you provide recipes for a particular kind of food that you may want to cook. Then every Saturday or every Friday you cook the food, showcasing how and showing the results of how the food look like after cooking it with the recipes that you have provided in your previous videos. Or maybe if your niche is about tech, you may want to do educational videos on Tuesday, then on Friday you make software reviews. It is better to schedule, to plan your content, and they know exactly how you want to be posting and how often you want to post them. Planning ahead ensures that you always have fresh content ready to go. So it is very, very important to plan ahead. Maybe by next week you want to post a social video. By this week you have already planned it and started working on your content. So it is very, very important to plan your content and schedules. Then number 4, this one is very, very important. Optimize your YouTube account. What do I mean by that? Before starting uploading your videos, make sure to optimize your YouTube account. This includes setting up professional channel with a clear, attractive profile picture. Banners. Banners matters a lot because you need to optimize your channel description. This one matters a lot. And your description should clearly explain what your channel is all about and what viewers can expect. It is very, very important to, whenever you are optimizing your channel description, let it to be descriptive. Let people understand that this is the type of content you are making on your YouTube channel. Let them know that this is the type of content they are going to be seeing on this channel. It will help grow your audience. Also, optimize your channel settings with relevant keywords and tags. It is going to help your discoverability on YouTube. The more optimized your channel is, the easier it is for new viewers to find you. So that is number 4, guys. If you are finding value already on this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will suggest it to other new creators that want to start their YouTube channel. And if you are understanding what I'm saying, write on the comment section and say I am understanding you. And number 5, invest in basic equipment and softwares to produce high quality videos. It is very, very important because when you have a good quality production, it will make your content to be superb. Understand? Because you don't even need to spend fortune, but having a good camera, you can have a good camera. You don't need to go and spend a lot of money. I started my YouTube channel with my phone, with the camera of my phone. Even this one you are watching right now I shot it with my phone. Understand? You can start with your phone as long as your phone have a good camera. As long as your phone has a good camera, you can start off your YouTube channel with it. Then have a microphone. If you cannot afford a microphone, you can buy a good earpiece. There are some good earpiece that have a good mouthpiece that can pick a good sound, that produce a good sound when you use it to record. So you can start with that. You don't need to spend much. And the light also, then make your background to look attractive. Maybe just buy some fancy lights and put in your background, and the one that is going to face you, understand, so that your face will be very clear whenever someone is watching. So it is very, very good to optimize your content quality. You can even though you don't have a good background, you can be anywhere. Just what you need to do is that you need to stay a place whereby whenever you record a video, your face will be very, very clear, that viewers will be seeing you clearly. Then your background, what you're going to do is that if you don't have a good background, maybe you don't have money to set up your studio for good background, then what you are going to do is that you can use a fake background. There are so many YouTubers, there are so many videos you are watching out there, including this one you are watching. This background you're seeing right now is fake, but when you do it correctly, when you set it up correctly, it will not be noticeable. Nobody will even know that this is a fake background. Additionally, learn how to use video editing softwares to enhance your content quality. It is very, very important to know how to edit, because you are not going to be spending money on everything. And this is the main reason why you need to subscribe on my channel, because in my channel I teach so many things. I can teach you how to make how to edit your video, how to use CapCut to edit, with some other editing platforms. So you need to subscribe to my channel so that you will not be missing some tutorial videos I'm making on my channel, because you are going to learn a lot. There are so many softwares for video editing. We have CapCut, we have VN, we have Premiere Pro, we have so many of them. So I love CapCut so much, I'm using CapCut to edit. So concerning the fake background, in my next video I will be making a video on how to use a fake background on your video. So if you are interested in that content, let me know in the comment section. Say I want to see that video up next. Good production quality can help your channel and stand out, keep viewers coming back. Understand, it will help your channel to stand out and keep your viewers coming back, because good production, when someone is watching your content and the thing is cool, they will stick and they watch what you're saying. But whenever people are watching your content and maybe your video is shaking and the light is coming and going and all that, oh God, it will be so frustrating. Even though you are giving a value in what you're saying, do not stay to watch it to the end. So, and there it is, guys. These are the 5 essential things you must do before starting up a YouTube channel. By identifying your niche, setting a clear goal, and planning your content, optimizing your account, and investing in basic equipment, you will be well on your way to YouTube success. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.